see. How many of you guys watch Big Time Rush on Nickelodeon? Well, we have a song that we just recently played in one of the episodes. And actually, Carlos directed this episode. You guys know which one I'm talking about?
So how many of you guys watch Big Time Tour Bus? Okay. So you guys know a little song called Crazy for You, do you? I'm pretty sure that Kendall wrote this song about our fans, right, James?
I'm actually positive about that one. I'm positive about that one. Are you? 100%. 100%.
We really are crazy about you guys. Thank you for being here. And if you know the words to this one, I suggest you sing along. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Kind of feels like we're at the beach, doesn't it? Minus the beach and everything.